Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will be reviewing slash using this Babyliss Pro flat iron. It goes up to 465 degrees and it's supposed to be pretty good. I've heard really good things about it, so I can't wait to try it. So like I said earlier, this flat iron heats up to 465 degrees and it is of titanium. And it came with this heat resistant glove, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. It's pretty much just like 3-finger glove. The rounded titanium edges are going to help us to create a soft, smooth curl. So let's go ahead and get started. I can't wait to use this thing. So this is my hair, air dried with leave-in conditioner. I haven't combed it or anything. We've been trying to get it to look like this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the blow dryer and blow my hair dry a little bit just to make sure it is dry all the way. Now I'm gonna section my hair to grab some pieces and start curling away. Be very careful when using this iron, okay, because it's like working with a curling iron and trying to straighten your hair with it. So don't burn yourself like I did right here. Yes, it hurt a little bit. It was shocking. But I learned my lesson. So when I curl my hair with the flat iron, I usually go through the strand one time to smooth it out, and then the second time I go up and I start curling from there. I just feel like it gives you like a softer curl with less frizz. I'm also using this Paul Mitchell Freeze and Shine Super Spray. It's a finishing spray, so what this will do, give you shine to the hair, and it also keeps the curls lasting longer. And when I curl, I usually like to curl away from my face. Wow, what a difference. So all we're doing here is just spraying a little bit of the Paul Mitchell product into every section, combing the product through, splitting the section, and just curling away. Say hi. So here's a tip: if you guys want maximum volume for your hair, always curl kind of going forward towards your face, if that makes any sense. That way you're over directing the hair and it's going against the growth, so that will kind of give it kind of like a lift at the root area. So here I wanted to create an S pattern curl. So what I did was I curled the hair strand halfway through in one direction, and when I got halfway I flipped the iron the opposite direction and kept curling that way. And it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted, so I went over it one more time and tried to do the same thing I did the first time. So see how it kind of formed like that S shape there, the S letter? See, that's the top portion of the S and that's the bottom portion of the S, and it kind of swirls down into that curl. Kind of like that. I think I'm gonna probably do a video on that, just maybe just do all my hair that pattern, see how it comes out. So far, I really like this flat iron. I really like the curls that it gave me. They were a little tight, but I feel like the curls always fall out after a while, so I don't really mind that. Grab a few more sections, one across, one diagonal, another one diagonal. So then we're gonna be left with like a triangle at the very end. So my opinion so far on this flat iron is I really like it. I can't wait to see what else it can do. I think that I just wanted to try it out and kind of see how it curled, and so far I like it. I really enjoy playing with this flat iron. I think I can do a lot more things with it. I can't wait to see what else it can do. And the size that I'm using, by the way, is 1 1/4. They have different sizes you can choose from. And I think I only paid like $180 for it or something like that. I'll leave a link at the bottom and you guys can check it out. So that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. I really like the curls. They're kind of tight, like I said, but they're gonna fall out, so I'm okay with that. I just wanted to experiment and see what it could do and how the curls would look. But so far I'm happy. I can't wait to try it out and see what else I can come up with. I'm gonna try to do some like Hollywood waves with this. I feel like it's a perfect iron to do it with. So I'll make sure to film a video and of course keep you all posted. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up and share if you'd like. And again, I'm gonna leave the link of where you can get one of these amazing flat irons. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you soon.